Today, we're taking a closer look at Gujarati. This term is associated with the language, culture, and people. Let's divine. Meaning, Gujarati can refer to several related things. Language. It's the language spoken by the people of the Indian state of Gujarat and the Gujarati diaspora worldwide. It's part of the Indo-Aryan language family and has its script. Culture. Gujarati can also pertain to the culture and traditions of the Gujarati people, which are rich and diverse. People, when used as an adjective, Gujarati describes something related to the Gujarati people, their customs, or their region. Pronunciation. Pronounce Gujarati as dirty. The stress is typically on the second syllable, jar. Use in a sentence. Language. She speaks Gujarati fluently, which helps her communicate with her grandparents. Culture. The Gujarati festival of Navratri is known for its colorful dances and vibrant celebrations. People. The Gujarati community in this city has made significant contributions to local businesses. Synonyms. There aren't direct synonyms for Gujarati because it's a specific term, but you can use Gujarati language, Gujarati culture, or Gujarati people to be more precise. Conclusion. That concludes our insight into Gujarati. It's a term that encompasses a language, culture, and a vibrant community. Thanks for joining us, and may you continue to explore the rich tapestry of cultures and languages in the world.